Okay, today in Microsoft Excel, we are going to discuss about templates. We have already discussed about templates in Microsoft Word lecture. Today we are going to discuss Excel templates. Okay, what are the templates? You know it very well. Templates are built-in, pre-made document samples. Let's see where we find the templates in Microsoft Excel. So I have opened Microsoft Excel in front of you. Here I will go to File and New Command. This new command contains a blank workbook. You know it very well already. But if you want to create a sample document, for example, I want to calculate my monthly income of my this business. For that purpose, I will need income statement, and I don't know how to prepare an income statement. So Excel has prepared income statement for me. I will search here income statement. You can see that there are multiple patterns of income statements where I can find my monthly income. Okay. For example, I want to use this one. This one is the perfect one. Here I will use it. This template contains styles, formulas, everything is made in this file. We have just to put our data. For example, here it says Quinbal. I say this is the income statement of Pitt Computer College. For which time I say this is October 2023. Now here we have got the headings. Revenue means income. It is showing me gross sales. We don't sell anything. Okay, we'll type here gross income. We provide the services from services. I say my income for this month was 500,000 rupees. Okay, Excel is calculating it in dollars. Sales return, I say that there I have returned 15,000 rupees to my students. So it is showing me that you have net sales of 485,000 because Excel has applied a formula over here. You can see in the formula bar in which Excel subtracts this cell of main income and this. Okay, now this heading is net sales. No, I say net income available to use. Net income available to use. Now in the income statements, we have cost of goods sold statement also. As we know it very well that we are providing services, so we don't have inventory and we are not selling anything. So I will place 0 here. I'm not a seller, I'm a service provider. Okay. Next to that, you can see that expenses. For example, I say that advertisement expense for this month was 3,000 rupees. Amortization means loan amortization. Okay, I said I have paid amount of 12,000 rupees as a loan installment. Bad debits, I say that almost 15,000 are collectible from my students this month that who have not paid my fees. Bank charges, I say I have no bank charges. Charity contribution, I said I gave a charity of 500 rupees. Commission, as we offer the student affiliate program, we give commission to our students. For example, I say I gave a commission of 10,000 this month. Contract labor, we don't have any contract labor. Depreciation means as we have got computer lab, most of the time our assets depreciate. For example, mouse is out of order, keyboard is out of order, system needs repairing and maintenance. This type of thing is called depreciation. So I say that our depreciation cost was 12,000 this month. Dues and subscriptions. We say that we have 2,000 dues. Employees benefit program. We don't have any employee benefit program. We don't have insurance. We don't have interest also. So I'm placing zero instead of this. Legal and professional fees, for example, board fees, we say that we have paid 5,000. License fee, we don't have license fee, so I'm going to make it zero. Miscellaneous expenses are, for example, these are 4,500. Office expenses are, for example, I say 9,000 rupees this month. Payroll taxes, we don't have payroll taxes. Postage expenses, yes, we have got postage expenses also. Rent, we have paid a rent of 50,000. Repair and maintenance charges were 6,000. Supplies, it is zero. Telephone bill is zero. Oh no, it is not zero. We have telephone bill of 9,000 rupees. Traveling, we don't have traveling expense. Utility bills, we have paid 15,000. Electricity bill, vehicle charges, we don't use vehicles. Wages or salaries, we paid a salaries of 80,000 rupees. It is telling me that your total expense is 2,38,000, and now it has calculated income for me. My income, rest of my income is 2,47,000. This is the easiest way. I have just changed the values. I did not put any formula in this sheet, and this is ready for me. This is called the template. For example, I'm going to use some other template also. For that purpose, you can save it also. Okay, file and save. I'm going to search another template. For example, I'm going to search loan, about loan. Okay, so here I've got multiple loan calculators. I'm going to use one of them. This is a loan calculator. Here we place only value. For example, I say that we have uh, taken a loan of 15 lakh rupees from bank at the interest rate of 8% per annum. Our loan period is 8 years. Start date of loan is this much. Now you can see that it is showing me that your monthly installment will be 21,000 rupees, and you will pay it in 8 years, 96 installments, and your total interest is this much, and total cost of loan will be this much. And now it has calculated every installment for me. This is a 8-year plan. My loan starts from 8 lakh 15 lakh rupees and ends at 0. Okay, so Excel has calculated a complete loan plan for me in this sheet. Got it? In the similar way, we have multiple templates over here. We can use any of them. We'll just go here. For example, this is relevant to business. Monthly budget, simple invoice mean bills. Okay, for example, I'm selling something and I'm going to prepare an invoice. Okay, so this is the name of company. I will give here name by myself. We can change the logo also. This is invoice. This is the date of an invoice number. Okay, now we are selling computers. You can type the address by yourself here. Now what we have sold, we have sold a LCD. We have sold 10 LCDs. Every LCD costs 5,000 rupees. We have sold keyboards. 25 keyboards were sold and every keyboard is of 700 rupees. I'm just giving my sale record and giving the prices. You can see that Excel is calculating the bill itself. This is a pre-made invoice I have used and I have prepared a invoice or bill. In the similar way, you have got multiple other documents, for example, personal, planners and tracker, list, budgets, charts and calendars. You can make a calendar from Excel also. Here you can see that you have got multiple calendar types. For example, binary calendar, illustrator, thematic calendar, monthly calendar, lunar calendar. If you want to prepare this type of calendar, phases of moon, it will show you the phases of moon for the whole year. Let's see how. You'll just download the template and it will prepare it for whole year. You can see that phases of moon for 2023 are shown in this file, and this is a whole calendar of complete year 2023. 2020, it was 2022, you can change it to 2023 also. Okay, so this is how you can make different documents by using the templates in Microsoft Excel.